Welcome back to Did You Know, where nature reveals its most mesmerizing secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the beauty of one of nature's most vibrant hidden gems, the rainbow python. Imagine a creature that seems like it stepped straight out of a fantasy story, with scales that change color in the light, flashing hues of blue, green, purple, and gold. Meet the rainbow python, scientifically known as one of the world's most striking and elusive snakes. What makes the rainbow python so unique? Its scales have an incredible iridescence, reflecting light in a way that creates a rainbow-like effect. This rare feature isn't just beautiful, it's a fascinating adaptation to its environment, helping the snake blend in and evade predators. Found deep within the jungles of Papua New Guinea, this python prefers high-altitude rainforests and often spends its days hidden in dense foliage. Primarily a nocturnal creature, it hunts small mammals, birds, and even other reptiles. But despite its intimidating size, often reaching up to 7 feet in length, it's a relatively calm species. Sadly, the rainbow python is now considered rare in the wild. The loss of its natural habitat and illegal wildlife trade have significantly impacted its population. Conservation efforts are underway, but the rainbow python remains elusive, adding to its mysterious allure. The rainbow python reminds us of the extraordinary beauty hidden in our world's wild places. Want to see more incredible creatures like this? Hit subscribe and join us on Did You Know for more nature discoveries. And remember, every share and like helps bring attention to wildlife conservation. Thanks for watching and stay wild.